Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Epic Games login problem. So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. The first being your application cache. What you want to do is simply go ahead and search for Epic Games, right click on it and click on open file location. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and click on the show more options tab, click on properties, and this is where you want to go to compatibility and make sure that run this program as an administrator is turned on, and simply go ahead and apply it. Once you've done that, and if it still doesn't work, then simply go ahead and press the Windows plus R on your keyboard, and then simply go ahead and write this down: %localappdata%, and click on OK. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and scroll all the way down until you go ahead and find the Epic Games folder right over here. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and delete every content that is inside of these folders right over here, because these are cache files. Whatever is important can't be deleted. So once you've done that, and if it still doesn't fix your problem, it could also be because of your network settings. Simply go to network and internet settings, and inside of here you want to click on Ethernet, and then scroll all the way down until you find the DNS server assignment. Click on edit, and then on the manual, normally what happens is it is going to look something like this. You want to turn this from automatic DHCP to manual and turn on IPv4. Make sure that the preferred DNS is 8.8.8.8 and your alternate DNS is 8.8.4.8, and make sure that is saved. That should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, then you have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.